When we talk about how a skill needs to really be acquired, we talk about the methodology or the pedagogy approach. We have blended e-learning, but how you apply that blended e-learning in the proper way to make the student really learn, that's about the method. So we talk about flipped learning. Flipped learning means we flip the class, right? Students will learn by themselves at home. We learn, for example, time management. We have knowledge, we know something about that already. And then when we go to live classroom training, we pose questions and problem solving with the teachers. And the real job training is not about definition. So the pedagogical approach should be flipped learning. But flipped learning is not easy to implement because flipped learning needs a lot of motivation. How to make sure your students learn at home? We need a system, right? We need a system to motivate them. We need a customer service to remind them. We need a lot of things. When we have the whole system, then the methodology will work very well.